Hello everyone, Christopher here with McWane Science Center, and welcome back to SciSparks. Today's SciSpark, how air pressure turned this into this. Don't go anywhere. Do you ever feel under pressure? Well, you're not alone. Everyone is always feeling the pressure of our atmosphere. Think about it. Air, like water, is a fluid. As it flows and bumps into things, it exerts a force. And that force is stronger than you may realize. Strong enough, even, to hold up this cardboard and all the water on top. At least, for a little while. So, if air pressure is so strong, then why hasn't it crushed our can yet? Well, air pushes in all directions. So while the air outside the can is pushing in, the air inside the can is pushing right back. And for as long as the external pressure and the internal pressure are perfectly balanced, the walls of our can aren't going anywhere. But what happens when that balance is thrown off? To find out, all we need is something hot, something cold, and a splash of water. As we heat up the water inside the can, that water expands and rises out the top as steam, pushing air out with it. Now, although there's less air inside the can, that hotter, more energetic air pushes with more force. In other words, the internal pressure and external pressure are still in balance. However, as soon as we cool it down, all that water will condense back into its liquid state and, along with the air, take up less space. In other words, the pressure inside the can will be less than the pressure outside the can, and notice how I place the can in the bowl upside down. This prevents the air from the room from rushing in to fill the can as it cools. Instead, we create a partial vacuum inside our can, allowing the outside air to squish it like a grape. Luckily, our own bodies are also full of air, which pushes back against all that air pressure squeezing in on us. We can even change the air pressure inside our bodies at will. Every time we take a breath, we lower the air pressure around our lungs, allowing outside air to rush in. Neat, huh? So the next time you're feeling under pressure, just remember to breathe. Well, that's it for today. Oh, and if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to leave us a like. Plus, if you have an idea for a video you'd like to see us do in the future, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, bye!